In this video, we're breaking down the thermal properties of concrete so you can understand why it's such a game changer for heat retention, insulation value, and how thermal mass can seriously benefit your home or building project. Concrete might seem like just a basic building material, but it actually plays a huge role in keeping spaces comfy and energy efficient, and I'm going to walk you through the essentials you need to know. Alright, so first off, concrete has this cool ability to store heat. This is what people call thermal mass, and it means that during the day, concrete walls or floors soak up heat from the sun or indoor heating. Then, when it gets cooler at night, that stored heat slowly releases back into the space, helping to keep things warm without cranking up the heater. You want to think about how thick and dense your concrete is, because the more dense it is, the better it holds onto heat. Also, concrete isn't just about holding heat. It's great at insulating too, which means it helps prevent heat from escaping your home in winter or keeps the heat out during summer. Adding insulation layers with concrete can boost this effect even more. So if you're planning any builds, layering with foam or other insulators is a smart move. One thing I always tell people is to consider climate. In places with big temperature swings, thermal mass can really balance out the indoor temperature without wasting energy. Plus, using concrete with good thermal properties means you might save money on heating and cooling bills over time. And don't forget moisture control. Concrete can absorb some moisture, but pairing it with vapor barriers helps prevent any damp issues that could mess with its insulation power. One of the biggest mistakes folks make is ignoring how thermal mass actually works. They think it just keeps everything cold or hot all the time, but it's about timing the heat storage and release to match your daily temperature changes. Another common issue is not combining concrete with proper insulation layers. If you skip that, your concrete walls might end up losing heat instead of keeping it in. Lastly, underestimating moisture problems can lead to reduced insulation efficiency and even structural damage, so make sure your concrete setup includes moisture barriers and good ventilation. Fixing these is easier than you think. Just plan your materials smartly and think about how heat moves through your space throughout the day. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about thermal properties and energy-efficient building. It also helps contractors find cool projects where they can show off their skills and get steady work. So it's a win-win if you're looking to upgrade your place or offer your services.